Who's ready for a late night bites? Churro me. While these smell amazing, they don't look that pretty. So we're gonna make them pretty by making a churro bouquet. Drew and I actually got engaged at a Mexican restaurant, so what better way to out-churro your wedding than a bouquet of churros? You will need craft paper and wax paper, measuring tape, some pretty ribbon, some twine, some gift tags, scissors, double-sided tape, ink pads. You can use any stamps you want, and the most important material. All right, let's get started. The first step is to measure out the paper. You want it 20 wide, about there. Fold the edges to the middle. Next step, you want to lay the wax paper over the craft paper. Take the bottom right corner and fold it to the center, and then take the top left corner and fold that to the center. And then fold that in, you have your cone. And I have the wax paper sticking out, just to add a little contrast to the craft paper. I'm gonna use the double-sided tape to secure. Now for the fun part. We're gonna stamp the cone, and I'm just gonna stamp the top layer because no one's gonna look at the back anyway. They're just looking at the churros. We can go crazy here. I'm also gonna add the initials L and D to everything. And if you can guess what they stand for, I'll give you a churro. Stuff the cone with wax paper just to give it some extra structure. Now we're gonna stuff these churros. Now we just need to wrap it up in a pretty bow. Someone actually gave us a stamp of our faces. Ta-da! Here we have our churro bouquet. Your wedding guests will thank you for these late night bites. They'll be dancing and sweating and needing sugar back in their bodies. So there you have it. Happy churro!